Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're making this super quick, super easy gift card holder. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find an entire section dedicated to the sewing and crafting projects that I've done. And the best part? They're all free. If you're a cruiser, I've got you covered there too with a cruising resources section. You'll find cruise tips, trip reports, ship and port specific information, and so much more. All right, let's get started on this super quick, super easy project. I do believe this is the fastest project I've ever done. For this project, you'll need a 9" by 3 1/4 inch piece of fabric, a 9" by 3 1/4 piece of felt, some pinking shears. You'll need your sewing machine or just a needle and thread, and some clips or some pins to hold it all together. You can find the exact measurements for this on debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description right below this video. First, place your fabric with the right side facing down, wrong side facing up. Place your felt right on top of it. Now what I want you to do is take a 1/2 inch, go in a 1/2 inch and just stitch there either by hand or on your machine. 1/2 inch right there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have stitched a 1/2 inch away from the edge. Now I'm going to take my pinking shears and I'm going to cut in between that stitching and the edge. I'm going to place it so the pinking shear edge is at the bottom. I'm going to fold this up to about 1 inch from the top. It doesn't have to be exact. Now I'm going to go all the way around this using that 1/2 inch seam allowance again. You can do it by hand or on the machine. So 1/2 inch all the way, even from the bottom here, all the way around the top. This will stay open because this is where our gift card's going to go. Now our next step is to take our pinking shears again and go all the way around. So between the stitching and the edge, go ahead and cut right in between the two. All right, I've taken the pinking shears all the way around. All there is to do now is to put in your gift card and you're good to go. Like I said, about one of the easiest projects I've ever done. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting videos. See you next week with another project.